We were out on 170 and 70 out behind the airport, and we had taken out a lane for road repair. I was sitting in the TMA. I was the first thing the traffic saw, you know, on the site where I was sitting, and I took a hit. I don't remember taking the hit. I remember what we were doing. We were hot patching stuff, you know, on the road, but I don't remember taking the hit. It was a big truck that hit me, that sideswiped me actually, and they crushed in the cab where I was sitting on the truck, pinned me in the truck, and broke my pelvis and pushed all my innards around. I was in ICU for over 200 days, and I was in the hospital for over a year totally. And I came home, it happened on October 28th of '09. I came home for the first time on November the 10th of 10. The TMA, we were protecting the crew ahead of me. From what I understand and from what we were talked about afterwards, if I wouldn't have been where I was at, we could have killed about 5 guys. So it saved a bunch of lives somehow. It's just the way we were set up, you know, and it's a real busy intersection right there anyway, you know, where everything all kind of comes together. But in when I took my hit, my head didn't get hurt and my legs didn't really get hurt bad. My hips did, and you know, my middle parts. But my glasses were found up in the truck way ahead of me. I don't know how they got up there, you know. So we took a pretty good hit, whatever it was. But I was the only one that got injured out of the whole incident. And I look at it, that was my job for that day. I was running the protective equipment for that day. That was my job for the day.